Hello and welcome to jobskillshare.org. In this video, we will talk about our new service, Technical Interview eCenter. This video is specifically for people who are looking to start an IT career and also wanting to know if they are ready for the real technical scenarios. This could be your interview, like a second phase. What happens is when you apply for the interview and then you get contacted by an HR manager or someone who is going to be hiring you. Usually they will ask you questions about yourself and why did you want to apply for this position. So that's something like a soft interview, but then it may be a second phase where you have to be going or doing something online, or maybe in a room. People will test your technical skills. Now, not every company will go and take this route, but this is specifically for people who is considering and thinking that this may be where you may get stuck. So this service that we have provided right now is open to our members and anyone who is registered into this site. So basically, if you want to boost your confidence, if you want to know the expert feedback, how did you do and what can you do best after this, and even give you a career pathway learning, because we're not just a service provider over here, we're also providing resources for study and everything. So here you have a lifetime access to the recordings and what type of titles we cover at this moment. We are covering every entry-level IT position. This could be a support positions like help desk, IT support technicians, help desk technicians, anything that is considered an entry-level position where they are going to be testing you based on your title. Then we have junior systems administrator, we have senior ones, senior system administrator, Microsoft only, network administrators. This is mostly towards Cisco routing, switching, and the system administration towards IaaS servers, roles, how to configure server, manage servers. You will be tested on that. Virtualization administrator is basically like VMware or Hyper-V. These are the different technologies. Office 365, a cloud-based administrator. So you will be tested on how to use systems in Office 365 and how to manage it as an admin. Security administrator, you will be tested on how to secure systems. Deployment administrator, you will be tested on deployments. So basically, it's a very simple process, but a very powerful way to get yourself out there, because we're not only testing you, we're going to give you a lot of good information. You can consider this also as like a career counseling, and also you will be getting certified if you pass the exam or the test. This is going to be live test. And how are we going to do this? You will schedule an appointment with us. You will get an email from us that this is your time. You will be available on time. An expert will be available with you, and then you will be live like this. And this is exactly how you will be tested if you are going to an interview. And sometimes if you probably show the certificate to them, you can get away with that interview, but this is really based on how they are going to consider if they are going to take this certificate or not. But most of the time they will, because they usually look for some type of effort usually in these jobs. Now, like I said again in the beginning, that this may not be for everybody, because some people may go through the interview and they will never take the technical interview. But it is good to know that are you ready yourself, because the next step for you is going to be actually working. And that is another thing. A lot of people will land jobs in IT, but then they will be really living a stressful life if they don't know how to do these things in a real world. And that is where our platform have fully developed courses to help you in that also. But here you can come with your expert. They will be online and they will ask you questions, just like a driving test. You go to a driving test, they will ask you questions about the car first. Do you know this? Do you know that? If you don't know that, then usually they will fail you right away. We won't fail you right away, but at least we'll give you some suggestions to help you out. But this is not going to be a passing method for you or anything like that. You may be given another chance. But here you will be tested on, for example, if somebody asks you, if you're looking for an entry-level job and you did appointment for that, you will be asked questions like, can you open Active Directory and add a user? Now, as an entry-level position person, you should know this. If you don't know that, then I think you will be missing out a lot of things. Even a lot of people go to A+ certification, they really don't know this stuff. But when you go to the work, they will ask you questions about, can you reset a password? Can you add this person? Can you change the name of this person? Can you add a group? Can you do this? And this is a very basic stuff, and this is where you are going to be tested on. So it's a very easy process, and an instructor will be with you. They will take the interview from you, and then you will be given a full scorecard and everything that will support either towards you passing it, or if you fail it, then you will be given another chance. Again, it's a very simple and web-based process, and it is hands-on. All of these systems are real systems. You don't need to be available in some location to touch it. You can do all of this from your web browser, and the recording will be given to you, and it's a lifetime access to that. So if you're interested in this type of service, make sure to go. I'll share the link in the description also. You can go to the site jobskillshare.org, and on the main page you will see a technical eCenter like this, and then you will click on that tab, and then you will be getting to this service. So let us know if you have any questions about this service, or if you want to know more information. I'll be happy to assist you and give you more information. Thank you.